Hello students, welcome to our channel Fearless Math Class. Today I am going to discuss about bar graph. In my previous video, I have already discussed telemarks and pictography. So first of all, we should know what is bar graph. Bar means rectangles. We represent the data using rectangular bars for better visualization or understanding. These bars or rectangles are of uniform width with equal spacing between them. The length of a bar represents the frequency, and this visual representation is called bar graph. We know that bar graph we can show through vertical way or horizontal way. Let's see how we will draw that. Here I took two axes. Okay, in that two axes I am drawing some rectangles. So here I am drawing three rectangles and I have used three different colors to understand it better. So this is the bar graph which I have drawn in a vertical way. Again I took two axes and here again I am going to draw three rectangles. This bar graph I have drawn horizontal way. So these two way we can represent our data. Okay. This is our data. So this data we should represent in bar graph. How we will do that? Here I took name of girls, that is Simi, Mo and Juhi. They collected some flowers. So number of flowers collected, Simi collected 5, Mo collected 7 and Juhi collected 4. So how we will show it in bar graph? Let's see. Again I am drawing two axes. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Semi. Here I have drawn one scale, okay, and here I am writing semi. How many flowers collected by semi? 5. So we should draw one rectangular which touch up to 5. See, up to 5 we should draw one rectangle. Again, mauve, I should write it here, mauve. And how many flowers collected by mauve? That is 7. So we should draw here one rectangular which is parallel of 7. That is parallel of 7. And Juhi, that is 4. So here we should draw 4. That is Juhi. And here we should write down number of flowers. So this and this are, we can say, level. Okay, and in title we should mention flower collected. This is our title. So at a glance you can easily rectify that Simi collected 5 flowers, Mauve 7 flowers, and Juhi, that is 4 flowers. Simi 5, Mauve 7 and Juhi 4. Okay. For your better understanding, I am going to give you one more example. That is, suppose Siddesh eaten some fruits. Siddesh is one boy's name. He ate some fruits. So name of fruits, that is apple, mango and orange. And number of fruits eaten by Siddesh, that is 3 apples, 6 mangoes and 2 oranges. So how we will draw it through bar graph? Let's see here. Again 2 axes, and here we should draw scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here I should mention that fruit name, that is apple. Three, up to 3 should draw one rectangles or bar. Then mango, that is 6, I mean up to top level here. and orange, that is 2. So here we should draw orange. So it will touch that 2 scale, that is touch this, and that is touch 6. So here we should write down the level, that is number of fruit. So these two are our labels. Fruits eaten by Siddesh. This is our title. So this is the way we can easily show any kind of data by bar graph. So students, now I am going to end my class. To get all the videos and notification, you please subscribe our channel and press bell icon. Thank you. Have a nice day.